Welcome to this training video brought to you by RMR-Soft on how to find services near the expiration date, locate invoices, and make payments. In today's world, managing your services and payments can be a daunting task, especially when deadlines are approaching. That's why RMR-Soft has created this tutorial to help you navigate through the process with ease. By the end of this video, you'll be able to locate services that are about to expire, find the corresponding invoice, and make a payment securely and efficiently. So, let's get started. To access your invoices, start by logging into your account. Once you have logged in, look for the left side menu and find the Invoices section. Click on Invoices to open the Invoices page where you can view or download your invoices and make payments if necessary. When you're on the Invoices page, you can see the invoice title and the invoice status for each invoice. If you have any overdue invoices, you can click on the invoice to see what it's for and find the related service. Once you've reviewed the service, you can follow the next steps to renew it if necessary. Let's take a look at an example invoice. Say you have a hosting service that will expire on May 11, 2023, with a plan of 10 GB and a price of $54.99 USD. To check the service related to this invoice, you'll need to go to the hosting section and locate this specific service. Once you've reviewed the details of the service, you can go back to the invoice to make a payment if necessary. To download an invoice, simply click on the download icon in the invoices list and open the invoice. Once you have the invoice open, navigate to the last page of the document where you can find the payment link. Clicking on this link will take you to the payment page where you can complete the transaction and make your payment. RMR-Soft supports multiple currencies and deposit methods, so you can choose the one that works best for you. The deposit methods available may depend on your country and currency. The system will calculate the total payment for you and provide you with the necessary details to send the amount. After making the transaction, you should send the invoice or transaction proof to the WhatsApp number provided by the system. Thank you for choosing RMR-Soft for your service needs. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. You can contact us through the live chat feature on our website or by calling the numbers provided on our website, www.rmr-soft.com.